welcome back to my channel, and you guys know what it is. It is time for extreme couponing to extreme donating. Jeff does this every single month. Again, thank you, Jeff, for letting me be a part of it. I was off of it for a while because I realized I can't really donate stuff, but you know what? You don't have to donate a lot of stuff, and you don't even really have to donate stuff. It's just, this video is to help people, you know, support causes, donate money, just do anything that you guys can do to help others. You know, we have beat the game. We have, you know, we know how to get things for free. Half the people in this world don't. And when you say, oh, I got it for free, like, how do you do that? I'm like, it's not that hard. You know, it's not that hard, but we love helping other people, not with just couponing, but we love to help our family and friends and people who really need it. There's a lot of people out there. But it is that time, again, where, you know, we share with you guys what is out there and, you know, ideas to just donate other than just certain items. So my work is having a donation, a pet drive is what it is. And I don't have a dog. I have a cat, so I keep all the cat stuff. But there are times where I get dog stuff, and I do want to get more dog stuff to share with you guys. But I ended up having some dog food and treats and stuff that I wanted to put in the food drive. I've been wanting to do this drive for a while now. It's going on. It's like a 2-month drive. But I wanted to share with you guys what I got. Now, I did already donate them. Ben helped me, so I made a video of him putting stuff in the box, so you guys will have to watch that out. But I also want to tell you guys, make sure you guys check out everybody's videos. Everybody donates different things, and everybody does different things for different causes. So the people that are in this month's extreme couponing to extreme donating, I screw that up every single time, is Llewellyn from Savvy Coupon Shopper, Ash Loves Coupons, Gina Schweppe, Nicole Burgess, Brittany Tolberg, Nicole the Coupon Queen of Columbus, Amazing Teppy, myself, My Own Identity, Madison Pippins, and Jeff Saves with Coupons. So Madison Pippins looks like she is new. I don't know much about her yet, so I'll have to check her videos out. But yeah, it's super nice, you know, Jeff is super nice, you know, it's great to help the community. We love getting all together, and we like, you know, making friends and all that jazz. But here is the video of the items that I donated and the stuff that we put in the box.
Okay, so it's hard to see because it's sunny outside, but these are the items that I'm going to be giving away for the extreme couponing to extreme donating. I do not own a dog, and my neighbors are moving away, so I thought I'd give it to a fortunate person, or not a fortunate person, but a fortunate group. So here we got the Purina One Smart Blend dog food, and then I got a bunch of the bag and strips. So Ben and I are going to go drop them off right now. Okay, put them in the box. Can you put them in the box like this? So we're going to do it like that, and voila. Can you do that?
Yes.
Yeah. Good job. There's more in the bag. Okay, you got one more in there.
You need to help me. You need to help me. You need to carry the bag.
Can you put them in there?
You need to carry the bag.
I'll help you. I got the bag. You got the other thing. Okay, put it in there. Good job. Now we're going to put this bag in there. Okay, we're going to put this bag in there.
So yes, it wasn't that much, but you know, it did help. You know, it could feed a couple different animals, and I was excited to share with it. I really am trying to get Ben involved on, you know, giving to people, you know, helping. As he gets a little bit older, he's understanding what couponing is. He understands what I do, but I really want him to know to like help people, you know, give money to people, charity, all that jazz. So it's starting. You know, he's only 3.5 years old, but you know, it's starting. But I want to again say thank you, Jeff, for, you know this, you're awesome. I love to be friends with you even more. I don't know how we can be friends even more, I guess. I don't know. I'm just weird today. It's Friday. And you guys are watching this on Saturday. But, yes, so definitely check out everybody's videos. Everybody has different stuff to, you know, to donate. And if you guys do stuff, please let me know. Let me know in the comments what you guys like to donate or help out people, you know. I actually want to do other things than just donating. I want to do a food drive sometime where I'm actually, like, you know, giving food to the homeless. And I still have those other videos I want to make for you guys. But you guys will just have to see. I have so much stuff and so very little time. But now the weather's better, I can get more stuff done. So I'm just going to stop jibber jabbering. And I'm going to end it right here so you guys can catch everybody else's videos. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And give this video a thumbs up to let me know you guys really enjoy this stuff. And I will see you guys all next month for another video of extreme couponing to extreme donating. See you guys later. Bye-bye.